And she cute. Okay. Hey OhSo fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little, little bop for you guys to share with you guys from a new company. The name of this company is called Vivi Baby Hair, and this is a frontal wig from them. This is their Mongolian Kinky Curly 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I have it in 14 inches, and I did cut it, as you guys are going to see throughout this video. And baby, she's thick. This is 180% density, and when I tell you all of the density is there, it's definitely all up in here. This hair is super full, and I honestly, y'all know how I am. I love big hair, but I feel like you can kind of go down to 150% or 130% and you will still get a really nice look. It just depends on how full you like your wig, but baby, when I tell you she's full, oh, I see you, traffic. You ain't gonna make me start over, okay? Sis is full. So as you guys can see, I did cut this unit. I feel like now she's giving me like 12 inches. And my only con I will mention about this wig is, as you guys probably noticed when I was cutting it, it has some like straggly straight pieces on it. And I definitely wasn't a fan, so that's why I decided to go in and cut her up. And I think she came out kind of cute, At first I was a little bit indifferent about the cut because I did kind of cut her at a slant, but I do actually like the way it came out because I could wear it in a middle part or a side part and it's still serving a look. She's just so full, and I'm not used to my curly bobs being this full, but she's definitely some beautiful curly hair. You guys know how I feel about this kind of texture of a curl. If you like that more kinky kind of curl, you're definitely going to love this texture. So talking about the hairline, she was dense, and I did pluck it a little bit, but I definitely could go in and pluck it some more. In fact, I probably will, if I decide to keep this wig, go in and customize the hairline more to my liking because it was pretty full, but you do get a nice size cap construction. It doesn't say what size this cap construction is, so I'm assuming it comes like with a standard size, but that's cool because I feel like just about any head can fit in this wig, and it still comes ear to ear. It doesn't really shed or tangle, and I did sleep in this wig last night and I didn't have any problems waking up in the morning. I just fluffed it out and she was still looking really good. Now, if you decide to get this exact wig with the same specs that I have, it is $114. That's bomb for a human hair frontal wig. But being that I cut it up, I'm going to let you guys know how much it would be if you were to get like 12 inches, 150% density. That would be only $94. Under $100 for a frontal wig, and its quality. I feel like that's a win-win, sis. The shipping was a decent time. I feel like it took about 4 days to get to me, and I live here in California. If you guys are interested in checking out this company, I will link them down below. Like I always say, since this is a new company, be sure to do your research and see other YouTubers' opinions, and if you can find paying customers, I definitely would feel like you should do that. If they have any reviews, I think they do have some reviews on their website. Go ahead and read those and decide to make an educated decision on that. But I feel like you can't go wrong with a human hair wig, and it's definitely quality for $100 or under. So all their information will be linked down below in my description box. And let me know what you think. Did you guys like it in the side part better, or are you guys feeling the middle part? The middle part kind of doing something for me right now. She a little different, but she kind of hitting though. So let me know your thoughts. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And that's going to be a video to edit.